Hello guys, welcome to my channel Create Knowledge. In this video, we learn how to remove error pom.xml and index.jsp from Maven Web-App project in Eclipse Ide. When we create a project in Eclipse Ide, Maven Web-App in Tomcat Server Version-10, we get error of pom.xml and index.jsp because the superclass javax servlet.http servlet was not found on the Java build path. Now I will tell you how to remove these two errors, and we have to add the two dependency in our pom.xml file, and both we get it from Maven Repository. Now I am going to open Eclipse Ide. This is my Eclipse Ide. Now I am creating a file Maven Web project. I am create a file Maven project. Next, and I will select Maven archetype web app 1.0 catalog internal and select it, and then next. And now my ID is com.gopal, artifact ID I am giving MVC_demo, because in next video I will make a MVC project in Eclipse Ide and then finish. Enter here. Now you see MVC_demo project is created. Now go to there and you see src main web apps index.jsp, and when you open the index.jsp, you see superclass is not found. Now I am going to open my pom.xml. Now here we have to add two dependency. One dependency we get it from dependency java.servlet. Now I have to open my Google Chrome browser. I am minimizing this. This is my Google Chrome browser. Here I will write dependency javax.servlet. Click here and click on javax servlet. Now you see here. Now I am going, because usage of this one is maximum 7975, so I am going for 2.5. Click here. Now this is the dependency. We have to click this link, copy, Ctrl+C. Now I am going to open pom.xml, and here I put the dependency, and here after dependency tag I will paste it here, Ctrl+V. Then I am going to save my project, save and run it, and run Maven run update project, force update. OK. Now you see your index.jsp error has been removed. Now to remove this pom.xml error, I have to put one more dependency. This dependency I will get it. Again I have to go Google Chrome browser, and I have to write Maven war plugin. Here I will write Maven and click on usage Apache Maven war plugin. Click here and you go to web app. Scroll down, you will get a web app. This is web app directory. Here you have to copy these plugins from plugin open tag to plugins closing tag. I will copy this link, Ctrl+C, and minimize this window. And again in my Eclipse Ide I have to put this dependency I have to put this dependency in build. After this build tag, open build tag. Here I have to paste the link. Paste the link, and then I am going to save my project. And now see, your both error has been removed, and there is no error in my MVC_demo. Now I am going to close my pom.xml. Now I have successfully removed the error. Now I am going to my index.jsp. Here I am writing a message in h1 tag. Now here I am going to pass a message. I have, and I'm just going to save it. Okay, now run this project. Run on server. I am having Tomcat 10. Then next. Now I am select my project, MVC demo, and then finish. Now you see, I have got the output in my server. My Tomcat server port number is 9999, and the output hello world. Now I have removed both error in pom.xml and index.jsp. I hope you have understand how to remove the error pom.xml and index.jsp when you use Maven Web-App project in Eclipse Ide. Thanks a lot for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for the next notification. In next video, I will make a MVC project for you, and please share my video to your friends. It is my request to all subscribers, if you got any error in Maven project Eclipse Ide, please share the error with me. I will try my best to resolve your error, and you can follow me in Instagram. In Instagram, link I am giving to you in my description box. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Thanks.